These are several brand new American Standard air conditioners. They are from, that one's a 14 SEER, 8.20 HSPF. It's a heat pump from July of 2013. And this is in heat mode. These are all from 2013, and they are 14 SEER. And they're, well, I think they're 4 tons. I'm not sure. And they're all 14 SEERs. I don't know if I just said that or not. I've had a cold all weekend. I guess that appears to be the only one running, so. Oh, this one's a 15 SEER, 9 HSPF. Wait. Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, HSPF. Yeah, I said it right, I think. I get confused with that one sometimes. You can see Adreatica. I've tried to film these units before, but I don't know what happened to that video. I haven't been able to find it. Lots of them. And they're all, those are all 14 SEERs. Alright. Oh wow, there's a window unit. I'd imagine probably like an Amana. And there's none in there. Oh, yeah, there is. Never mind. Over and out.